to the leadership of Miss Universe Philippines, our friends from the media, friends from across the creative and business industries, and to everyone who believes in the power of Filipino excellence. Good evening, and I hope you can indulge us. Today is first and foremost about the remarkable candidates. It is about the courage it takes to step forward, the discipline required to prepare for the stage, and the conviction to represent not only beauty, but voice, purpose, and nation. Miss Universe Philippines has, over the years, changed and evolved into a national platform for empowered leadership, championing authenticity, inclusivity, intelligence, and for the modern Filipina who stands grounded in heritage, yet confidently global in perspective. It raises women who are articulate advocates, cultural ambassadors, and catalysts for meaningful change. At Playtime Entertainment, we deeply resonate with that vision. As a brand, we ourselves are in the midst of our own transformative chapter, one that expounds our role beyond platforms into a bigger, bolder, and louder landscape of Filipino entertainment. Through our recently launched business verticals, as you've seen in our video, we are building an entertainment ecosystem that invests in sports, media, live experiences, and most importantly, talent that will help shape an industry where Filipino stories are amplified, Filipino creators are empowered, and Filipino excellence competes on the world stage. Entertainment to us is not just a spectacle. It is influence, it is identity, it is nation building through culture. That is why we are excited to share that we are the official entertainment partner of Miss Universe Philippines for the next 3 years.
Wow!
Through this partnership, we want to ensure that every Filipino story, especially our ladies here tonight, their experiences and the moments are told and shared with audiences locally and abroad, immersing them in what the Philippines represent and who we are as a nation. We recognize that today's audiences and communities seek more than fleeting moments, rather meaning and representation that is intelligent, responsible, and inspiring. And that is precisely what we see in the women standing before us tonight. As Playtime Entertainment continues to redefine its place in this industry, we are committed to supporting platforms such as the Miss Universe organization that raise the bar, cultivate substance alongside spotlight, and that position the Philippines as a powerhouse of talent and cultural relevance. In the context of our partnership, it is about welcoming a new class of women who will carry our flag with intelligence and grace, and recognizing that the world is watching and that the Philippines is ready. On behalf of Playtime Entertainment, we are honored to stand alongside Miss Universe Philippines. We celebrate your relentless pursuit of excellence and redefining what it means to represent the Filipina. To the candidates, you represent the next wave of Filipino leadership in entertainment, advocacy, and global influence. You are stepping into a platform that demands depth, discipline, and direction. But more than that, you are stepping into an era where entertainment and purpose are no longer separate but intertwined. This is your moment. We look forward to witnessing your growth, your advocacy, and the legacy that you will build. And to everyone here, the next chapter of Filipino entertainment and Filipino excellence begins now. Thank you and congratulations to our ladies and of course to the Miss Universe Philippines